Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. This is the home of guns and horsepower. Unfortunately today I have some bad news. The 93 Mustang Cobra is in need of some major repairs, so the house has taken a hit in the horsepower department right now. The problem I was having with the car started all of a sudden. Suddenly one day coming off the freeway, once I came to a stop, I had a real rough idle. And I had a ticking engine coming from the noise coming from the engine, sorry. I had hesitation at low RPMs, loss of horsepower, and really difficulty running at cold startups. And this, like I said, this started all of a sudden, no issues with the car up until that point. So I decided to go through and test some electrical stuff on it. I had new spark plugs, I had new wires, cap rotor, I changed all those, didn't improve anything. So I went ahead and started testing the coil and all other electrical components, everything except the control module and the ECM. And everything tested out fine. The car ran fine. So I had spark, I had proper fuel pressure, and all the sensors were functioning properly, so I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I decided it must be something with fuel delivery. So I went ahead and started running fuel injector and fuel system cleaners through the gas, and saw some improvement, but after about 5 bottles, the car just still was not running right. Still had the hesitation, loss of power, the ticking noise. After that, I decided it was time to figure out exactly what was wrong with it instead of just keep guessing. I was spent a lot of time on it. So I went ahead and took it to the car whisperer Eloy, and he confirmed what I kind of suspected. He gave me the bad news. Got a little bit of water leaking into the head and into the piston cylinder, and then also looks like I have either a leak and or a broken valve. I had a fouled spark plug, which I just changed, and definitely issues. So after 147,000 miles on this car, it's time to rebuild the heads on it. So that's what I decided to do. Debated selling it as it is, moving on to something else, but decided against that. I'm going to go ahead and keep the car. I'm going to fix it up like I've always wanted to with this car. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll document that rebuild for you. At least some of it, stripped down, and the choices I've made, why I decided to go with them. So in the meantime, I went ahead and cleared this spot out in the yard to get the car in here, so I have a space to work on it, so it's not in the street, it's not in the way in the driveway. So I guess the next thing I'm going to have to do is drain the coolant and start stripping the upper half of the engine. So I'll go ahead and document that in another video or two, or maybe a series of it. So until then, thank you very much for joining me today. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I can look forward to the help. It's the first time I've taken heads off of a car, so if anyone has any help they can offer me, I'm willing to accept. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks.